Alright, this is quiz 4, problem number 2, and it was the same problem on both quizzes. Alright, so I want to take the derivative of this guy. So I see that we've got this guy times this guy, so I could multiply these together and expand that, but I've got 5 terms in each of these. That's a lot, so I'd rather just use the product rule. So product rule says let's take the guy on the left, call him f. So that's x to the 4th plus 9x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 12. Alright. The derivative is going to be 4x cubed plus 27x squared minus 4x minus 1. Okay. So now g is going to be the guy on the right here, but I'm going to notice, hey, that's the same thing. So I'm just going to save myself some ink. So that's g of x and that's g prime of x. Okay. So by the product rule, we get f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times g prime of x. Alright. So that gives us f prime is 4x cubed plus 27x squared minus 4x minus 1 times g is going to be this guy up here. So x to the 4th plus 9x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 12. Okay, so that's this first term here. I'm going to notice the second term is going to be f times g prime. So f is this guy, g prime is this guy. Well, it's actually just going to end up being the same thing. So I can add to this, run out of space, and I can say, yeah, okay, that'll be f up here, x to the 4th plus 9x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 12 times 4x cubed plus 27x squared minus 4x minus 1. Okay. And there's my answer. Okay. But real quick, I want to look at a different way that we could do this. So you notice these are the same thing here. So another way to write this guy up here is actually just take it, so x to the 4th plus 9x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 12 squared. Right. Now if I take the derivative of this guy, it's the same thing, so I should get the same answer. Well, I have to use the chain rule now because I got the square outside this big function in here. So I bring the 2 down, I get x to the 4th plus 9x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 12. Reduce this power by 1, and then I have to multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is, well, we've already done that. That's 4x cubed plus 9x, plus 9 times 3, plus 27x squared minus 4x minus 1. Right. So I kind of went off a little here, but you notice, so I've got this guy times this guy. Well, that's what each of these original terms were. Well, add these together, hey, I've got 2 of these. So combining like terms here, I get 2 times this, which is exactly what I found over here. So there are 2 ways to do this problem. I think this one's easier, at least saves some more space, but whichever one works for you and gets you the right answer is fine.